Back to Crime Hunter USA. When stupid cops confidently confront lawyers and judges with 200 IQs, the results are often not very glorious. Watch the entire video to witness these dramatic reversals. On the morning of April 21, 2025, in Cobb County, a female driver was stopped by police for going just 5 miles over the speed limit. From there, a dramatic confrontation ensued.
Hey, good morning.
It's a nice car.
Oh yeah, well, you know, in 2025, women can drive nice cars, you know.
And this is your car?
Yes, officer, it is.
What are you doing in this neighborhood? You live in this neighborhood. And this is your car.
Surprised that I live in this neighborhood. Why is that?
Just not adding up.
It's not adding up. What are you adding up?
Are there any firearms, illegal contraband, drugs in this vehicle I needed to be made aware of?
That would be a no.
Well, you hesitated.
Because...
You sure about that?
Yeah, I'm very sure. I don't know why you would even think that there would be any contraband. So what is it about my nice car or me that would suggest that I have those things in my car?
Well, you're driving very suspiciously. That's why I pulled you over. The speed limit's 35 and you were doing 30. So that makes me question a lot.
Wow. I was like, you got slowed down to brake or maybe make a turn or something? Suspicious?
I think you saw me and got nervous.
Surprise. Really? What would make me nervous?
If you're hiding something, obviously. License and registration, please.
Okay, that's what I was waiting on you to ask. Is my license? Probably should have asked that before you assumed that.
Ma'am, I'll ask the questions, okay? And this vehicle's registered to you.
Did I just give you those documents?
You know, you people always want to argue and make things way more difficult than they have to be. I just asked you a question. All you have to do is answer.
You
know what, ma'am? Just stay right here. I'll be back.
Upon returning, the police officer decided to increase the tension even further.
Ma'am, here's your registration, your license. And there's your citation.
A citation for?
I just told you.
So you gave me
reckless driving, endangering those around you. You're going too slow.
5 miles less than the, okay. And I endangered people? Okay, by too slow. Okay, and you know, power doesn't come in a uniform. It really comes from what you know.
That's an interesting statement, ma'am. And what I do know is I have not searched this entire vehicle.
The policeman suddenly smashed the taillight.
Hey!
You have a broken taillight, ma'am. That's another citation.
I got one now. What are you doing?
It's illegal to be driving around with a broken taillight.
Yeah, after you broke it.
I did not break it. I'm trying to keep the street safe.
Actually, are you kidding me? You know what? Intentional damage, intentional property damage is a misdemeanor. You want me to read you the statute?
Why are you dressed like that? Why are you wearing a robe?
Surprise, judge.
I'm not a judge, I'm a police officer.
Not you, me. How about that?
You're a judge.
No, I just wearing this robe because I have nothing else to do.
Well, you don't act like a judge, and you definitely don't look like a judge.
Yeah, what do they look like?
Not you.
Oh, not me? What do they look like? I don't look like a judge? Well, guess what? I am one, and I'm on my way to work now. But you know what? I've sentenced more men with better discipline than you. You'll be standing when I walk in court. Surprise.
Ma'am, why didn't you just lead with telling me that you were a judge?
The police officer was stunned and confused.
All you had to do was tell me you were a judge.
I didn't have to tell you nothing. You treat every citizen with respect.
I do. I'm just doing my job.
What would it make if I was a judge? What difference? You still didn't have the right to break my tail light, and then you give me a citation with that? I'll see you in court.
Ma'am, the station's calling me. Just get home safely. We'll just settle this with the warning, okay? You need to get your taillight fixed. It's not safe to be driving like that, and please just drive the speed limit.
The female driver left. But that's not the end of the story. As a judge, she immediately filed a complaint. The surveillance department checked the body cam and the police officer was immediately suspended. In the subsequent trial, her words came true. When she entered the courtroom, the police officer himself had to stand up in front of her. On July 10, 2021, attorney Emmanuel Allowale, an African-American civil rights lawyer, was taking out the trash at his private office compound when he was questioned by two police officers.
If you don't mind, if you don't mind, can we see your ID?
Yeah. Well, that is pretty cool.
That's a slick business card.
Yep.
All right. I'll give it to him. You can keep doing what you're doing. We're just, again, we're kind of concerned. Yeah.
Okay.
Seeing somebody dump a bunch of stuff there. So.
Oh.
Don't run my card. Don't run my ID.
Huh?
Don't run my ID.
Don't run your ID?
You have no reason to.
Well, we're going to at least mark it down. We're going to take down your information.
Nope. I'm on my property, putting trash in my trash
Okay.
can.
But this is not just your property. It's several people's property.
I understand.
Okay.
But I'm not violating any law. So don't
No
run
one
my
said that
ID.
you're violating any law.
No. Don't run my ID. I'm a lawyer. I know my rights.
Okay.
I'm not violating any law. I'm on my property. There's no suspicion. No one called anybody. So don't run my ID. I only identify myself so that this won't escalate.
That's fine, but we can still mark down who we're out with, and so that's what we're going to do.
No.
Yes.
You didn't stop me. Don't turn this into an issue.
Sir, you are turning this into an issue. We're just simply marking down who we're out with.
Yeah.
So he's just going to write it down on a piece of
Oh,
paper.
it's just your name.
Why?
Because, sir, we are out with you because we were concerned that you were illegally dumping.
But you already discovered. Do you want me to show you my office?
I understand that you're here, but I don't know if this dumpster belongs to you or somebody else in the
It belongs
complex.
to me.
To you and you alone.
Yes.
Can you prove that that dumpster belongs to you and you alone? If it's also other units,
So what? It belongs to everybody. We're paying for
Okay.
it. It doesn't really matter if it belongs to all the units.
That's fine.
Just give me back my ID. Thank you.
Something as simple as taking out the trash turned into a heated confrontation. Attorney Allowale claims he was discriminated against because he did not break the law. The city of Westerville has opened an investigation into the two police officers involved. On the morning of March 22, 2025, a strange confrontation took place inside a law office in Westerville, Ohio. A police officer suspected a woman of dumping trash illegally, but the woman was attorney Linda Jones, and she quickly proved herself innocent.
719, dispatch approaching suspect. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, officer.
What is it you think you're doing here?
I'm dumping trash down.
That's illegal. This is private property. You can't be using this dumpster for your trash.
Oh, no, it's okay. My office is right here. It's
Here.
not illegal. I have an office here, sir.
Your office is here. You work, and you work here.
Correct. I'm an attorney at law. That's correct. Yes.
You're an attorney.
Yes, sir. Do you need a business card or anything?
Yeah,
Need
that.
services?
Yes, I need proof of this.
Would you like services or anything, or why do you need my business?
I would like to see proof that you're an attorney because this is private property. You can't be throwing trash out there. You're breaking the law.
Okay, I would love to show you my business card. That's no problem.
1019.
Here you go, sir. Linda Jones, attorney at law, located right at this office address.
I see the Linda Jones, but I don't see the address here.
Sir, if you flip the card over, please. Thank you. Is there anything else I can help you with, sir? Because the sun is...
I still don't see the address.
Sir, here's the address here, please. And that's my name. Is there anything else that you need to verify that, sir? I'm trying to cooperate here.
Ma'am, I'll ask the questions. You're breaking the law right now.
Actually, I'm an attorney. I know my rights, and I'm not breaking the law. As I stated, sir, I'm a tenant at this office location.
Okay, this card doesn't prove any of that. I need to see your ID.
You don't need to see my ID, sir. I just gave you my business card.
Ma'am, don't make this any
This
more
is my
difficult than it has
office
to be.
address.
There's no need to be confrontational. I
Nobody's
need to
being
see your ID.
confrontational, sir. I'm not being confrontational.
Ma'am, you're being incredibly aggressive. All you're
Wow.
doing is escalating the situation, and there's no need for any of this.
I'm escalating the situation.
Correct. I've
I'm
asked
not.
you
know
3
what?
times now. I need to
I
see
will
your
show
ID.
you my ID to verify the business card, okay? I'll do that for you. But I don't have to, okay? I want to make sure you know that. This is my name to verify the business card and the office address, sir. This is not illegal dumping, once again.
All right, and but the address is different on your license than it is on the business card.
Because that's a business location, sir. That's not my home address.
Yeah, this whole thing just seems very suspicious. I'll be right back. I need
sir,
to run this ID.
You don't need to run my ID, sir. You don't need to. I'm an attorney, like I said. That'll be against your jurisdiction if you're trying to run my driver's license.
Ma'am, you
and I both know that, or I can tell you that right now. That's illegal what you're doing.
You just illegally took your ID.
Because you have no reason to legally stop me. I gave you my ID. I did not have to, once again.
Ma'am, you're breaking the law. You're illegally dumping trash. Your addresses do not match up.
Yes, they do. They do match up.
Well, then you should have no problem with me running it then, if you are who you say you are.
You don't need to run my ID, sir. I told you, again, I'm a lawyer. This is my office address. I've proven that with my business card and my driver's license. This is not illegal. You have no reason to stop me.
Well, then you should have no reason for me to run your ID if you are so in fact a lawyer and this is your property. Because from where I stand, you're illegally dumping trash into a dumpster.
If we continue with this, sir, you're gonna get sued. Is that officer I see? Badge 2322? You really want to continue this conversation with me? Knowing that I'm an attorney at home.
I mean, you haven't proven that you're an attorney.
With the business card saying attorney, that doesn't, and the ID matching, that doesn't do it for you? Or you want to keep going down this rabbit hole, officer?
Okay, ma'am, this could just be so simple. All you need to do is give me your ID and your business card back.
I'm not letting you run anything. I don't have to let you run anything. Maybe you need to go read into your law books.
Ma'am.
Instead of just the academy.
If you weren't breaking the law.
You're gonna get sued, sir. This is harassment now because you're on my private property as a tenant.
1017.
And you're trying to make me, call whoever you need to call because you're wrong. You're absolutely wrong. I don't know if it's racism. I don't know what you have going on, a bad day. I'm not sure, sir, but you need to go.
None of that is relevant to what's going on here.
It's very relevant because you're sitting here harassing me at my workplace while I'm taking out my trash where I pay for have my office space.
Okay, none of that has been proven. I do have an ongoing investigation right now that I just got called on.
My business card. I've given you my business card. I've showed you my ID and verified that's the name. This is my office. Would you like to come inside?
Okay, ma'am. I'm gonna let you off on a warning.
You have no choice but to let me off on a warning because you need a warning yourself. Keep it going.
I have an ongoing investigation I need to tend to.
I bet you do.
We're gonna leave this as a warning today.
That sounds great.
The policeman walked away in embarrassment. Linda Jones stood firm, calmly defending her rights. In this debate, the lawyer had the upper hand, and the police had to retreat silently. On the morning of April 16, 2023, in an empty courtroom, a strange confrontation took place. A court security guard saw a man enter the judge's room. He thought he saw an intruder. From here, the situation became tense.
Who do you think you are?
How are you doing?
Who did you think you are? How did you get in here?
What do you mean, how did I get in here?
I mean, how did you get in here? What do you mean, what do I mean? What do you think this is, the monkey bars at the playground?
The man remained calm, but the policeman lost control.
You're gonna sit down, huh?
Please don't.
You got about 5 seconds, boy.
That's pretty good.
Put down the gavel, get out of the chair, you're gonna be arrested.
Why would I be arrested?
I'm not playing games with you no more, boy.
Why would I be arrested?
I don't know how you got in here, I don't know who you are.
No.
I would ask for an ID, but I doubt you have one.
Tell me why I would be arrested.
Why would you? Because you're sitting in the judge's chair,
There's a reason.
playing with the judge's gavel.
There's a reason why I'd be here. I don't look familiar to you?
There's a reason why you be here.
There's a reason why I'm in this seat right now. Do I not look familiar to you?
No, you don't look familiar to me. I don't know you from Adam.
That's crazy.
Boy, you got about 5 seconds to get out of that chair. We're gonna have word.
Don't call me.
Me, you gonna go round and round. You want to get arrested? You've been arrested before. You got a record?
No, I don't have a record.
You need to get out of that chair right now. I said get out of that chair.
Relax.
This is all property of the state. This is property of the courtroom.
Crazy.
You come in here, you disrespect the office, you disrespect the chair, you bang the judge's gavel. You got about 5 seconds, boy.
The man asked for respect, but the police continued to press on.
Could you stop calling me a boy? I'm a grown man.
Of course you're a grown man.
Why I'm here. So just relax.
What's the reason? Go ahead. You come here, all this.
No. Why don't you tell me why?
I'm not, no. It's not my position to ask you questions. You answer my questions. You don't ask me questions.
Tell me why I would be here. There's only one reason why I would be here. Why would you be here?
Because you broke in here and you're sitting down the judges and you're playing.
Broken.
You think you're playing like a dollhouse or something like this is your dollhouse you play with at home. This whole courtroom, this whole sacred
A
institution.
lot of things to do. Could you please, just go on with your day. There's a reason.
I'm going to call it in. You want to make this into a case, do you? You could just leave. You could walk out of here right now. That's the end of it.
What kind of case would this be?
What kind of case would it? Now you're asking me questions again. I told you, boy, it's your turn to answer questions.
For the third time, I'm a grown man. Don't call me a boy.
Well, I don't know if you is. You coming in here.
Would you please tell me what type of case I would receive by just sitting here?
You got trespass. You're about to trespass you right now. You're not going to be allowed back here anytime. Unless you're arrested. Next time you get arrested, you're going to be over there. You're going to be brought before this.
Well,
So you might come end up back here, but you're not going to be back here anymore today. So I just recommend you get up now. I'm already going to trespass you. All right, this is what you get right now, is the charge trespass. And you keep going, you're going to get obstruction. Don't touch me. I'll do you for assault. I'll do you for assaulting a police officer. I saw you reaching over there. Boy, you need to shut that. You need to get up.
Yo, I got things I need to do.
Don't be touching the judge's marker.
I have things. There's a reason why I'm doing this, so please.
You're tampering with evidence right now. You're possession of stolen property. Probably.
What's stolen? This is my property. This is my property.
Well, you're right, because
No, take a look. This is my property. This is my property. There's a reason why I'm sitting here.
This isn't your property.
This is my property.
Who do you think you are?
Oh, no, you tell me who I am.
All right, you guy sitting in the seat obviously broke in here is what you is.
The guy that's sitting in his seat, who is he usually? What is he?
This is just going round and round. You need to get. You need to get up and get, boy.
It's going round and round.
At the most tense moment, a woman walked in.
What's going on?
Would you please tell him exactly who I am?
I found this gentleman broke in here, trespassing, sitting in the judge's seat.
No. You're confused. This is the judge.
The judge? What do you mean the judge?
This is Judge Martin.
The truth came out. The man was the newly appointed judge.
I just came back from working out, man. That's the only reason why I got my clothes.
You never told me your name was Judge Martin.
I don't need to tell you my name. You can't look. You can't see.
You messing with me this whole time?
You're gonna be fired. Expeditiously.
Your Honor?
I don't want to hear it.
This is all big on misunderstanding, you understand?
Yeah, it is. And this misunderstanding is going to cost you your job. Just please.
In a matter of minutes, a grave mistake cost the guard everything. The new judge retained his dignity and authority. The one who was finally judged was the man in the guard uniform. On June 19, 2017, Orlando police stopped a white car. The driver was Aramis Ayala, Florida's first black female elected attorney. She was on her way home after work when she noticed flashing lights behind her. The officers said her license plate number was not listed in their system. They also said her windows were too dark.
What agency you with?
I'm the state attorney.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Your tag didn't come back. Never seen that before. I'm sorry? Yeah. We're good now.
So it was.
We ran the tag. I've never seen it before. A Florida tag. It's never come back to anything before. So that's the reason for the stop.
What was the tag run for?
I'm sorry?
What was the tag run for?
Oh, we run tags all the time, whether it's at traffic lights and that sort of stuff. That's how we figure out if, cars are stolen and that sort of thing. Also, the windows were really dark. I don't have a tint measurer, but that's another reason for the stop.
Do you guys have cards on here?
Yeah, 1 second. Actually, this isn't my car, but I can write my name down if you'd like. What's your employee number? 157. Ready? There you are. Have a good day.
The body cam footage spread quickly online. Many saw it as a routine traffic stop that turned tense because of who was behind the wheel. Others called it harassment. The timing made it even more controversial. Ayala was in a heated clash with Governor Rick Scott over her refusal to pursue the death penalty.